If you have an Office 365 account, you can categorize your tasks and filter your task list by category. You can also filter your list by other properties, such as status or importance, even if you don't have an Office account. The reason you need an Office account to use categories is that your category list lives in Outlook. To see your list, go to your account at outlook.office.com. Click on the gear icon, click on Account, and then click on Categories. Here is the list that the app uses. You can add, delete, and edit categories here. The standard labels are just color names, but you can change them here to something more meaningful, such as work, travel, or household. To add or delete categories in the app, click on the Edit Categories button. You'll see a list of your categories and buttons to add and delete categories and to refresh your list. You can add and delete categories here, but you can't change the name of a category. You have to go online to do that. You can give a task as many categories as you like. For example, if you have a work category and a travel category, and you have a task relating to travel for work, you can assign it to both categories, and it will appear if you filter your list by either category. To give a task a category, double-click on it, click on the drop-down arrow, and select a category. You can see the category in the pane to the left of the list, and if you like, you can add categories to the list by using the column chooser. To filter your list by category, click on the button labeled Choose a Category, then on the drop-down menu, and choose a category. The list will show you tasks assigned to the category you selected, as well as their direct ancestors and their children. You can see the filter string at the foot of the list, and you can toggle the filter on and off by clicking on the checkbox next to the filter string. Even if you don't have an Office account, you can filter your list by any other task property. For example, to see only high-importance tasks, right-click on the column header, select Column Chooser, and drag the importance column onto the header. Then click on the little filter icon and check the High checkbox. Or let's say you want to see tasks due on a certain date or within a certain period of time. Go to the column chooser and drag the due date field onto the header. Click on the filter icon and you'll see some predefined filters such as today, this month, next month, this year. If you want a specific date, click on Specific Date Periods, then Custom Filter, choose Equals, and then the date you want, such as December 6th. If you want a different date, click on Edit Filter next to the filter string at the foot of the list, click on the date in the filter, and select a different date. You can filter your list by other task properties in the same way. Just drag the property from the column chooser onto the header and click the little filter icon.